Svoj prvi film o seljačkom lončarstvu u Dalmaciji ja sam snimio 1931. godine i to u selu Potravlje, sjeveroistočno od Zadra. To je bio jedini tada lončar, seljak koji se bavio tim obrtom. I was only the visitor of Potravlje, and the peasant potter was very kind, and I could film it because my apparatus was very apparatus for filming with the small film of 16 millimeters. It was the same manner of modeling portrait as in East Valley, Indonesia, or in Rujani Gorni in West Bosnia. It is the same manner of modeling, of burning, of producing vessels. It was the first time as I visited Veli Iž, and I have found there some more 3, 4 or 5 peasant potters. Now I think their work on only few, very few potters in Iž.
I stari.
Da. A za što su onda ljudi upotrebljavali te lonce? Jesu kuhali u njima ili...
Da, jesu.
Šta? Kako? Ste vidjeli možda?
They used the products for cooking brodet at first. Brodet or other Dalmatinian specialists.
Yeah.
Products of the free place in the place of Iž, it was a free place in the next neighboring of the village under the free
place. Da.
Plastered by stone plates. By stone plates, there were the place for burning the potteries.
Da, da.
Pa vi odlično govorite engleski, perfektno.
Da.
Da vam pada na pamet. Vi krivo čujete.
Ne čujemo krivo. Dobro čujemo.
Ja, kad mi ide, kad je slučajno baš tako situacija, onda ide, ali kad mi onda je teško.
He learned English when he was 75.
Really? Yeah.
In 70, when he took a tape recorder from the faculty and these tapes for learning English. So he used for half a year approximately, and then moved to Indianapolis for lecturing for... Kako ste bio tamo u Americi? Kako dugo ste bio u Indianapolisu?
4 months.
4 mjeseca. 4 months he was...
Bloomington at the university, Indiana University.
Really?
In Bloomington, Indiana, as a visiting professor.
Prije koliko? Prije 20 godina?
71. In
71.
71.
Yeah. Cool. Amazing.
I was teacher only for European ethnology. European ethnology at the Institute for Folklore by Professor Dawson. Professor Dawson was the main specialist for ethnology, for folklore, specialist for folklore and ethnology, and I was indebted to read ethnology of European people.